ChatGPT got even better. Now you can use O1 with Canvas, meaning that if you go and pick the model O1, that is the most advanced model, you can go into View Tools right here and select Canvas. Now, after that, then you can prompt things like creating an interactive tool that shows different types of analysis. And what ChatGPT will be doing is to think about it first and then deploying Canvas. Now, the benefit of this is that it will be creating the code for you in order to create this interactive tool or mini app. Now, when it finishes, then you need to click play in here in order to see the outputs. As you can see here, now it finished writing and you have all the code in here on the right. And in order to actually see the app, then you can click in there and you will be able to see the FP&A analysis tool. Now, a couple of times there could be errors like this, so you can just go and fix the bug. Now I will show you the finished outputs. Now, after a couple of tries, I understood that one of the main things of this specific tool is that it cannot use category in React. So when I added that part, now if we click preview, it will show us the FP&A analysis tool that ChatGPT has created for us. As you can see in here, then it has a little bit of an interactivity in the graphic, and you can choose different analysis types in here as well. Now, I have created as well a couple of different apps that I will show you now. This one was the first FP&A analysis tool. Now we also have this scenario modeling tool, which I use this prompt. Now I'll be giving you the prompts below as well, but now you can see here when I click preview that it initializes the tool and the environment. So you can see in here that this app, you can add different revenue growths, cost growths in different scenarios, and you can even remove scenarios or add many more in here. Now, the other one that I want to show you is this dashboard variance analysis app that I did, and it will create a dashboard for financial planning and analysis. So as you can see in here, we have a couple of different icons for budget, actual, variances. Now, as you can see here, we have total, budget, actuals, a different overview in here, and a table. Now you can also select just one department, so let's say marketing in this case, and then this will be filtered out by that department. Now if we want to add any other features, then we can message ChatGPT in here as well.